Hello everyone, good day. Here in Ghana it's afternoon. So good afternoon, my fellow Ghanaians. I'm Mama Ha. Yeah, I'm a typical Ghanaian from the Ashanti region. You know that. Yeah. So on this channel, everything we see, we talk about. Yeah. I think this is my fourth or third video. I want you all to subscribe for the daily profitable videos. Yes, subscribe and turn on your notification sign. You know that. Yeah, sure. Okay, so you all been talking about Binance. Yeah, Binance is in Ghana right now. No, Binance is in Africa. Let me say it that way. Binance is available in Africa. Binance is very easy and profitable platform in Africa right now. As I talk, before I begin, let me tell you this: you also take the little amount you have, deposit in Binance, and just leave it there. Whilst the dollar is rising, when you want to withdraw the money, it will be in different amounts. Let me say more than the one you deposited. That is what making it very, very profitable platform. Don't use it to do anything. I want you to just deposit it. Okay, that was just by the way. Now let me go deep into Binance. I just want you to know the meaning, whatever about Binance. You know that Binance is a cryptocurrency. It's a cryptocurrency, like a crypto trading platform. Yeah, that helps you to trade. Buy all the cryptocurrencies, any amount you want, buy and sell, keep it on the low, trading it. Yeah, Binance is very good, Charlie. It's very good. I won't recommend any bad platform for you. You get that? Yeah, that is crypto. Binance is very good. Okay, so let me take you in there. People are confused about the payment methods, and I'm afraid my money will be stuck and all that. Let's get into Binance. Okay, so this is Binance. This is the main Binance. This is the surface. As soon as we click on the app, this is what you see. Yeah, this is the interface. Everything is cool. So after downloading the app, what I have to do is, you have to verify. This is me. It has been shown verified over there. Yeah. So what I have to do is to verify it well with your full name and your own information, for you not to be rejected by your cards. Maybe if you want to purchase, if you want to use a credit card or Visa card to purchase here, the name on the Visa card or MasterCard should be the name you used to register. You know that? Yeah, that is one thing I want you all to know. So after verification, you get into business. Yeah, so this is how it is. It's very, very simple, just quick and easier. You want to buy with Ghana City, so you click here. You want to buy any crypto you want to buy. Me, what I buy is USD. I click on it. Okay, so here is it, 1 USD. So they are saying their minimum is 170 Ghana cedis. That is when you want to purchase with the app. That is 170 Ghana cedis. But if you want to buy from your fellow Binance traders, you have to come here. You understand? Let me show you it well. You have to click on pay-to-pay trading. Click on it. Come here. That is where you can use your mobile money, your bank account, Vodafone, whatever, depending on how the person wants to be paid. You understand? Okay, so you come here. The person is selling for 13 cities 67. But right now, the dollar is around 14 Ghana cedis. $1 is 14 Ghana cedis. So if someone want to sell for you for 13.67, it's very, very down. You understand? It's very, very down. But you have to check the amount. The person limit is 5,000, meaning you have to have money more than 5,000 or equal to 5,000. You understand? To 197,781 Ghana cedis. That is what the person is accepting. You understand? Okay, then you have to come here to you check the person trades. The person trades, I think, is 568. Yeah. Then the percentage. The percentage means how people after trading with people, how they give the comments, maybe positive comments or negative comments, and how good the person is. This is what will tell you the percentage. Here is 75.40%, meaning it's not that good, but at least it's cool. You understand? Maybe you waste a lot of time. Some use seconds to send your money to you. Some use minutes. You understand? Some even wait so it gets cancelled. You understand? Yeah. So you come to the next person, so 13.70, and the limit is 1,000 to 30,000 using mobile money, Vodafone cash. So this one, maybe your money is around here, you can buy. You understand? Here too is 188 trades that the person has made successfully, and then 97.50%. This is very, very good. Yeah, this is very, very good. Maybe still your amount is lesser than 1,000, so you just go down again. You come here is 13.72, and the limit is 200 to 1,164 Ghana cedis. So this maybe you can purchase here. We check here to 1489 trades, meaning the person is very good in here, and then 99.30%, meaning the person is very, 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 very good here. So me, preferably, I will choose here. Then I will buy. Understand? You click on buy. So clicking on buy, this is what will show you. Okay, so if you want to buy with fiat means you want to buy with the Ghana cedis. Like you want to show, you want to enter the amount in Ghana cedis. And if it's crypto, you enter the amount in USD dollars. That's what they call it, USDT in Binance. You come here and you enter maybe 300 Ghana cedis. 300 Ghana cedis. Okay, 200 max amount. Okay, the person just changes. Okay, then let's go back. Okay, let me refresh it. Get the correct thing. Okay, so I've refreshed it. So now let's look in. Wow. People are getting 8,000, 5,000, and above 1,000. Okay, here's 500. Okay, 76.00%. Okay, let's try. I won't do it. I just want to show you how it's done. So you come here, 500 plus. So you enter your 500. That's all. And the crypto amount is 36.10 USDT, which is, I think, more than 500. Okay, let's go check it here. Because here 56. Even if just 56. Okay, it's 36. Okay, sorry. 36 is 504. The point is not even added. Okay, meaning you get more than the amount you are paying. You understand? You get more than the amount you are paying. So you buy it, you pay to the person, then he will release the crypto for you. You understand? After releasing the crypto for you, all that you have to do is you can wait for a while, maybe some days or hours. When you come to the sell, you see their prices are very low. So sometimes it can go to 19 cedis, sometimes 17, 15, 14. But this one is very, very low, so you don't need to buy. You understand? You just have to keep it there. Just keep your money around. Just keep your money here. Binance is very safe. Your money will not be lost. It's going to be here until you sell to other people. You understand? So you buy very, very cheap. You can sell in 14 and above. Me, I won't sell in 13 and below. No, I will sell in 14 and above, so I will get more profits. You understand? Yeah, that's how it is. So here you click on the sell. Maybe okay, let me say you want to sell. You come here 1360. Click on sell. I won't sell because the price is very low, so I will never sell. Yeah. So my balance is 74.67 USDT. So when I sell, I'll get 1015. Which is very very low when changed into Ghana cedis. Okay, let me change it. 74. Let me say only the 74. Even only the 74 is what 1036. Which is very low. You understand? Okay, so you have to stop, then wait a little bit for their prices to go up. You understand? Before you sell. Yeah, that's how it works. So Binance is very very safe. Just buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. You won't do anything difficult here. You just buy, then you sell. You understand? You just buy, then you sell. Is this time like the buy, their prices are up than the sell? Yeah, that's how marketing is. It will get to like some hours. You see, the prices will be at 14, 15 and above to be changed. You understand? All the prices will change. Then now you can sell. You understand? You can sell for more profit. Yeah, that's how it is. So I will urge you all to deposit your money in Binance. Just deposit it in Binance and wait. You can wait. You just keep it there like you are saving it in a bank. Yeah, so whilst the dollar is rising, your money will be getting bigger. You understand? Yeah, that's how it is. So it's like changing your money to dollars. You understand? Yeah, you just change your money to dollars. Yeah. You can deposit using any Binance, any cryptocurrency app. You understand? Yeah. That's how it is. So this is how Binance is. The Binance people have been talking about this, how it is very legit and good too. Very very legit. So this is where the day is gonna bring us to. Subscribe and click on the notification button for more videos. Yeah, I'll do more videos. Any information I get about Binance, I will make sure you get it. You understand? Thank you very much.